to be good, to do good is all you need to do. Hey there, how you guys doing today? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Bitcoin and Coffee. I'll be your host, Eugene Forrest. So what do we got going on with these crazy cryptocurrency markets? Green, quite a bit of green. Oh, I love it, right? You know, when you wake up and your USD value is a little higher, you can't help but put a little bit of a smile on your face, right? Goes to help, you know, keep you going on why you're doing this cryptocurrency stuff, especially when we had been down for, I mean, a little over 2 months, it seemed like. All right, so let me see. We got $374 billion for our market cap. Boom, that's a plus. 23 billion traded in the last 24 hours. That's nice. Got a BTC dominance that's slipping a little bit, though. Coming in at 38.6%. You know, like I said yesterday, the bells and whistles and alarms are starting to go off a little bit, but I mean, these altcoins are taking such big gains. I mean, Bitcoin is so huge. I mean, the price is so high in comparison to where we were a year ago that, I mean, yeah, it's going to take it a little while to get it going. You know, it's not going to happen overnight, right? But we are looking at gains today. We're up 3.3%. That's 8,500. That's really nice. I think that was one of the bullish marks that we were looking for to say that we were going to continue on a bullish trend. If you're into technical analysis, a lot of people are saying that May is going to be the big month for Bitcoin for us to get it moving. You know, whether or not that's true, I don't know, but I got my fingers crossed for it, and I know I'm hodling through all of this. All right. So let me see. We got Ethereum coming in at $588. That's a 9.4% gain. That's a lot more than standard day trading. That's a really nice one because a lot of people hold Ethereum. But it looks like Ripple and Bitcoin Cash are the big movers. We got Ripple coming in at 87 cents. That's a 20.8% gain. That's really nice. I mean, Ripple's always making people money, it seems like. It's just that, you know, fundamentally, you know, you get behind Bitcoin, but financially, it seems like Ripple's where the money is at. But that's how banks seem to roll. Bitcoin Cash coming in on the other side of $1,000, $1,054. That's up 16.8%. And we got the Steam and the Steam backed dollar coming together in parity at $3.16, which makes it up 3.7% and up 5.9%. So that's not bad. I'm liking it there on the other side of $3, feeling a little more comfortable as the entire cryptocurrency market continues to move upwards. You know, pretty much one of the big things here, though, is at the top. You know, out of the top 5 cryptocurrencies, the top 3 there have made some real big gains. That's pretty much why the BTC dominance is dropping. I think once we get the Bitcoin price over 9,000, that we'll be looking at the dominance problem being solved there. Not really super concerned in the overall. I mean, you know, it's going to be what it's going to be, right, folks? So what do we got going on for news today on Bitcoin and Coffee? Bitcoin forks. I mean, it seems like it's all the big news lately. Bitcoin Cash is getting ready for their hard fork. That's going to be on May 15th. A lot of people are saying that this could be part of the bullish movement that's going on right now with Bitcoin Cash. It's been moving slowly upward across the week. A week ago, it was at $778. Today, we're looking at $1,089. It just jumped up a little bit, coming in. It's up 43% for the entire week. I mean, those are some really big gains for something that a lot of people were saying is garbage. But, I mean, with this hard fork, they're looking at improving the you know, the code for it so that it allows smart contracts, something that we're looking towards second-tier solutions that we don't really have yet on Bitcoin. So, I mean, that's kind of what's helping move this along. And they're looking to change that 8-megabyte block to a 32-megabyte block. You know, and then when it comes to that, a lot of people argue that that's what's going to cause centralization in the mining, but then other people say that that is, you know, Satoshi's real, you know, vision, and that's how we're going to be able to get the transactions that we need in such a short amount of time. You know, I mean, I'm with real Bitcoin, not the Bitcoin Cash, you know that. But as always, it's out there in the market. It's going to do what it's going to do. And if you can use it to, you know, help better your life, there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's just that I view it as an altcoin. And there's nothing really wrong with that either. All right, so let me see. We got Bitcoin Diamond out there. They're making the biggest gains of all today, though. BCD is coming in at $4.03. That's a 37% gain overnight. We're looking at they're over 49% for the entire week. And we got Bitcoin Privates having a little bit of trouble. They recently got added to the ledger. They were going to open up the wallet. The claiming tool looks like it's going to be coming down the road. I had brought this news to you guys yesterday. Shortly after I had posted my video, I had started receiving emails. 21 Million Club plus a couple other people had shot me emails saying that they weren't able to access it. I went over and checked out the Twitter. nobody's able to get it going. I guess they're having trouble because they're using a third party to be able to support the wallet, and they're trying to get the sync going better. They said give it some time and they'll get it fixed. My recommendation is keep an eye on their Twitter. I'm sure it'll be popping up there on when you're able to, you know, do what you need to do. As always, I try not to be the first mover in anything because it seems like that's when you get screwed. You know, I like to see other people do it first for a little bit before I go moving my funds around. So, as always, if you like everything that's going on here on Bitcoin and Coffee, I got all kinds of links and tools that I'm constantly trying to update down there to help you guys like understand this cryptocurrency market better, understand your trades better, protect your cryptocurrency more, and also see if I can't get you some free cryptocurrency, either by going over to Steam and signing up. You know, the free faucets, the airdrop, you know, ERC20 tokens, you know, you just hodl it. I just sign up. When they show up, they show up. When they sit there, they sit there. And if I notice they spike up, I dump them, right? As always, though, the best tool we got is my email address. It's eugeneforest20@gmail.com. Shoot me those emails. Let me know what you got going on. Ask me those questions. Let me know what you are doing personally to see if you make free crypto on the internet. Also, if you got major stories or news, let me know that too. As always, though, you guys, remember to keep your Bitcoin safe.